Let's face it, push-ups are not easy and a lot of times a lot of us are doing them the wrong way. Oftentimes this is what I see most of the people doing. Either they push their butt up, flare their elbows out and try to go down, or they sag their hips, they dip their lower back and then they try to go down, not engaging their core. Now it might feel like that you are doing an easier push-up, but in reality, all you are doing is setting yourself up for an awesome injury. Hello, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Nitika Anand, a certified fitness trainer and a nutrition coach, and I have been training women from past 8 years now and have helped them to ditch the scale, to eat better and to live a healthier life. So in this video, I will be talking about push-ups. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आप एक complete beginner हो जिससे push-ups बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते हैं या push-ups बहुत tough लगते हैं and if you feel कि आपकी upper body बहुत weak है or if you feel that you can do knee push-ups but you are not progressing to a full push-up or if you are someone जिसको लगता है कि yes, I can do push-ups but I'm not so sure if my form is right or wrong, then this video is for you. So in today's video, I am going to show you why push-ups are important, why most of the people, especially females, they struggle with push-ups, and how you can get your first full push-up step by step safely and confidently. So watch this video till the end because I will also give you a simple practice plan which you can follow at home and achieve your first full push-up. So first let's understand why push-ups are important. Push-ups is not just an exercise, it's a full body strength movement which works on your chest, shoulders, triceps, legs, glutes and especially your core. So if you are someone who can do a good full push-up, this means that you have a strong core, you have a strong upper body and you have a good control on your body. And honestly, जब आप अपना first full push-up करते हो, it gives you a huge confidence boost. Push-ups is not just about age or gender, it's more about progression and technique. Why most people can't do push-ups? Most people don't fail push-ups because they are weak. They fail because their core strength is missing, their shoulder stability is poor, their body alignment is wrong, or they try full push-ups too early. So if you directly jump to the floor push-ups, your body will naturally say no. That is the reason today we are building the foundation first. So before progressing step by step to a full push-up, first of all, let's understand a proper push-up form. This is how a perfect push-up setup looks like. Okay, so your hands will be shoulder width apart. Your fingers will be facing forward. Your body will be in one straight line from head to heel. Your neck neutral, don't drop your neck. Your eyes should be slightly forward. Core tight, glutes squeezed. Now don't let your hips sag. Don't push your hip up high and don't flare your elbows out. Think of your body as a strong plank. Breathe in, go down, breathe out and come up. Now let's start step-by-step progression to a full push-up, and the first is the wall push-ups which are absolutely beginner friendly. For wall push-ups, you will take one arm distance from the wall. Now place both the hands on the wall shoulder width apart. Your body should be in a straight line. Again, don't sag your hips. Now breathe in, go down, breathe out, push the wall and come back. Again, breathe in, go down, breathe out, push the wall and back. Try to do 12 to 15 reps of this, and once this feels easy, you will move to the next step. Second step is the incline push-ups. Now for the incline, आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हो, a chair, a table or a sofa. Okay, same, one arm distance, place both the hands shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line, core tight, glutes squeezed, breathe in, go down, breathe out, push back. Again, breathe in, go down, breathe out, push back. Just make sure elbows will go back, okay, not flaring out. So elbows will go towards the body and back. So once this feels easy, if you can do 10 to 12 reps of this much incline, now you will lower the incline. So you can use a bench or a lower chair or a sofa. Same thing, both the hands shoulder width apart, your body in a straight line. Don't sag your hips, core tight, glutes squeezed. Breathe in, go down, push, breathe out. Breathe in, go down, push and back. So again, once this feels easy, once you can do 10 to 12 reps of this much angle, then you move to the next step. Now comes the knee push-ups, that is step 3. For knee push-ups, you will come in a proper plank position. Your hands are shoulder width apart, your body is in a straight line, head to heel, neck neutral, core tight, glute squeezed. Now in the same position, just keep your knees down. Okay, don't move your position. Now from here, just breathe in, go down, touch your chest, breathe out and come up. Breathe in, go down, push the floor and come up. Now if you feel that going completely down and then coming up straight is difficult for you, then you will use a cushion. Okay, so just place the cushion below the chest. Again, come in a high plank position. Knees down. Now just go down, touch and back. Okay, touch and back. Okay, just make sure when you come up, this should not happen. Okay, so arrange the cushion or anything else at a level where you can just go down in a straight line, come up in a straight line. Now once this height feels easy, you can lower down the height. Okay, you can use a dumbbell or anything so that you improve your range of your knee push-up. Okay, knees down, go down, touch and back. Go down, touch and back. So try to do 6 to 10 reps for 3 sets. And once you can do 10 clean reps of the knee push-ups, then you are ready to progress to the next step. Now the next step is the negative push-ups, and these are the secret to your first full push-up. These are actually the real game changer. Okay, so for negative push-ups, you will come in a high plank position. Proper plank position, same, core tight, glute squeezed, neck neutral. Now just go down in 5-6 seconds. Once you are on the floor, touch your knees down, push back and come up. Okay, go down, touch your knees, push back and come up. Down, knees down, push back and up. Okay, you have to do 6 to 8 reps for 2 to 3 sets. Negative push-ups, they build strength faster and prepare your body for the first full push-up. And now comes the moment जिसका आप सबको इंतजार था, that is the first full push-up. So remember the proper push-up setup, full plank position, body in a straight line, head to heel, neck neutral, hands shoulder width apart, core tight, glute squeezed. Breathe in, go down, breathe out and come up. Just one perfect rep. So even if you can do one good full push-up, that's a big win. One perfect push-up is better than 10 bad ones. So as I mentioned before also, avoid these common mistakes. Okay, loose core, flaring the elbows, dropping your head and rushing the reps. Okay, don't do this. Always remember quality over quantity. Now here's a simple practice plan which you can follow at home 3 to 4 days a week. You have to do wall or incline push-ups 10 reps for 3 sets. You have to do knee push-ups 10 reps for 3 sets. And you have to do 6 to 8 negative push-ups for 2 sets. Just remember, rest days are as important as training days. So if you believed that push-ups were not meant for you, then let that belief end today. Push-ups are a skill and skills can be learned. In the next episode, we'll be doing a follow along upper body and core workout which will help you to strengthen your upper body and also your core. And this will also help you in your push-up progression. So if today's video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more such informative content, save the video for practice and comments में मुझे बताओ which exercise tutorial you want next. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, stay strong and stay consistent. Bye.